5 tips to increase your push-ups fast. Think you've hit your push-up limit? Think again, because today, you're about to discover secret techniques that could double, or even triple, your push-up count faster than you ever thought possible. But here's the catch. Each tip builds on the last. Miss one, and your progress could stall. So if you're serious about getting stronger, stick around, because by the end of this video, you won't just be doing more push-ups, you'll be dominating them. Section 1. And quote, every strong structure needs a strong foundation, and when it comes to push-ups, that foundation is flawless form. Start by tightening your core, squeezing your glutes, and keeping your body in one straight line from your head to your heels. Lower yourself slowly until your chest is just an inch above the floor. Then drive back up, keeping everything tight. Focus on quality over quantity. 10 perfect push-ups will get you further than 30 sloppy ones. On-screen visuals. Proper push-up form versus common mistakes. Slow motion. Examples. Section 2. And quote, want to build true strength and endurance? It's not just about pushing yourself up. It's about how you lower yourself down. Slowing down the lowering phase, known as the eccentric movement, tears muscle fibers more effectively, forcing them to rebuild stronger. Try counting slowly to 3 as you descend, then explode upward. This simple tweak can transform your push-up power in record time. On-screen. Eccentric focused push-up. Tutorial. Section 3. Voiceover. Repetition is important, but intelligent variety is the real game changer. Training the same movement every day leads to stagnation. Instead, introduce different push-up variations to challenge your muscles from new angles. Incline push-ups, diamond push-ups, archer push-ups, explosive push-ups. Each one builds different muscle fibers, making your entire upper body stronger and more resilient. Rotation keeps training fun, fresh, and brutally effective. And quote, clips cycling through multiple push-up variations with labels. Section 4. Think push-ups are just for your chest and arms? Think again. Your core, shoulders, and even your legs play a massive role in maintaining proper form. That's why it's critical to strengthen your entire body. Exercises like planks, dumbbell rows, dips, and shoulder presses create a solid support system, letting you knock out more push-ups with less effort. The stronger your frame, the higher your push-up ceiling. And quote, athlete doing auxiliary exercises side by side with push-ups. Section 5. And quote, pushing hard is only half the story. Recovery is where real growth happens. Give your muscles the time they need to repair and rebuild, stronger than before. Prioritize sleep, hydration, nutrition, and above all, track your push-up numbers. Progress might seem slow day to day, but over weeks, you'll see huge leaps if you stay consistent. And remember, your mind will give up before your body does. Stay mentally tough, push through the discomfort, and greatness will follow. On screen, visual of journal tracking. Progress, motivational quotes popping up. And quote, nobody's born doing 100 push-ups. Every rep you do is a representative closer to your stronger, unstoppable self. Stay patient. Stay hungry. Stay relentless. And remember, it's not about beating anyone else. It's about becoming the strongest version of you. Now, drop down and show the world what you're made of. And if you found value in this journey, make sure to subscribe, because your transformation is just getting started. Struggling to do more push-ups? You're not alone, and the good news is, with the right techniques, anyone can dramatically increase their push-up count. Stick with me, because in the next few minutes, you're going to learn exactly how to push beyond your limits and unlock your true strength. Part 1. Focus on perfect form. Approximately 2 minutes. Voiceover. Before you even think about doing more push-ups, you need to master perfect form. Form isn't just about looking good. It's about making sure every representative counts, building real strength, and avoiding injury. Keep your hands slightly wider than your shoulders, engage your core, tighten your glutes, and create a straight line from your head to your heels. Lower your body until your chest is just above the ground, and push back up with control. Good form equals maximum results. Visuals, close-up on correct body alignment, common mistakes versus correct push-ups. Part 2. Practice eccentric push-ups. Approximately 1.5 minutes. If you want real strength gains, focus on the lowering part of the push-up. This is called the eccentric phase, and it's where you build the most muscle. Lower yourself slowly, count 3 to 5 seconds on the way down, and then push up explosively. Slow negatives train your muscles to handle more stress, making high representative push-ups much easier over time. Visuals. Slow motion of eccentric push-up. Part 3. Daily push-up. Greasing the groove. Approximately 2 minutes. And quote, want to do more push-ups? Then you have to train them more often, but smartly. Instead of doing all your push-ups in one big workout, spread them throughout your day. Do small sets, maybe 5 or 10 reps, multiple times a day, without going to failure. This method, called greasing the groove, conditions your muscles and nervous system for high-volume push-ups without overtraining, and quote. Visuals, showing someone doing 5 push-ups every few hours. Part 4. Build supporting muscles. Approximately 1.5 minutes. Push-ups aren't just about your chest. Your shoulders, triceps, core, and even legs all play a role. Strengthening these muscles makes push-ups easier. Exercises like planks, dips, shoulder presses, and rows will help you build the foundation needed to increase your push-up numbers fast. Visuals. People doing planks, dips, and dumbbell rows. Part 5. Progressive overload and tracking. Approximately 1.5 minutes. Finally, if you want to keep improving, you need to push yourself just a little bit more every time. This is called progressive overload. Add 1 more push-up each day. Track your progress in a notebook or in app. Seeing your numbers climb will keep you motivated and focused. Small daily improvements lead to massive long-term gains, Visuals. A chart going up slowly, journal notes tracking. Push-ups. Ending, motivational call to action, approximately 1 minute. Voiceover. Inspiring. Tone and quote. Remember, nobody starts off doing 100 push-ups. Progress is built one representative at a time. Stay consistent. Stay patient. Stay strong. If you commit to these strategies, your push-up numbers will soar faster than you ever imagined. Now, drop down and show yourself what you're capable of. And if you want more tips on bodyweight strength and fitness, hit that subscribe button and join the journey to unstoppable strength. Outro scene. Subscribe animation. Motivational quote and quote. Strength grows in the moments when you think you can't go on, but you keep going.